Opening a Wealthsimple account is a simple process. Follow these steps to get started. Visit the Wealthsimple website. Go to Wealthsimple's website or download the Wealthsimple app from the App Store or Google Play. Start the application process. Click on Sign Up or Get Started to begin creating your account. Provide your personal information. Enter your full name, email address, and create a password. You may also need to provide your phone number for verification. Verify your identity. Wealthsimple requires identity verification. You will need to upload a government-issued ID and provide your social insurance number or social security number, depending on your location. Complete financial information. Answer questions about your financial situation, investment goals, and risk tolerance. This helps Wealthsimple tailor investment recommendations to your needs. Fund your account. Link your bank account to transfer funds into your Wealthsimple account. You can set up a one-time transfer or set up automatic deposits. Review and submit. Review your information and submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is set up. Start investing. Once funded, you can begin investing using Wealthsimple's platform.